We know how much your Kia means to you, and at Metro Collision Center, we treat every vehicle like part of our own story. Our team lives Los Angeles car culture, blending factory-level precision with a modern approach to auto body repair. We use color matching, certified Kia parts, and technology to bring damaged rides back to flawless life. From minor dents to collision work, we handle the process with speed, transparency, and human care. Our goal is simple: keep you moving with confidence and style. We coordinate with insurance, arrange rentals, and keep communication so nothing slows your routine. When your Kia rolls out of our shop, it looks sharp, drives safe, and feels new again. We believe great service should be effortless, honest, and exciting. Visit Metro Collision Center today or call us to schedule your Kia repair and experience the best Kia body shop in Los Angeles.